Hello everyone! In this video, I will share with you about one of the mathematics materials, namely fraction. We will understand about fraction in a fun way. So, don't skip this video and enjoy! Fractions. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Desita Fitriyani with number registration 13016 to 1038. I am student of Mathematics Education, Bachelor Program in Jakarta State of University. Today, we are going to learn about fractions. So, what is a fraction? Fractions is something that shows parts of a whole. It's easy to count whole thing like a pizza, a pie, or a donut. But what if we only had part of one? How would we count it then? We'd use fractions. As we can see, a fraction has two parts, one top part and one bottom part. The top part is known as numerator, and the bottom part is called as denominator. Numerator is the number of equal parts which have been taken out or which have been left out. Denominator is the total number of equal parts in which the whole is divided into. So this is the important thing. The denominator cannot be 0 or b is not equal to 0. But why the denominator cannot be 0? Because if it is 0, then the fraction will not be defined as we cannot divide anything by 0. Basically, what is the denominator? Denominator is the total number of equal parts in which the whole is divided, right? But if it cannot divide anything into 0 parts, we cannot give any part to anyone, and hence the denominator of a fraction can never be 0. This is one of the golden rules of the mathematics. For example, here I have one whole donut. If I wanted to share the donut with someone, I would have to cut it into equal parts and make it fair. I cut the donut into two equal parts. We can see they are the same size. When you have cut something and have two equal pieces, that means you have cut it into half. On this side, I have one piece of the donut, which is why the numerator is 1, but altogether there are two pieces, and that's why the denominator is 2. That's the same for this piece. As well, over here we have one piece of the donut, but there are two pieces altogether. Each piece shows half of the donut. So, half is a fraction with 2 as the denominator and 1 as the numerator. Which of these objects have been cut into half? Have a look at these pictures. Which of these objects have been cut into half? Remember, an object has been cut into half if there are two equal pieces. You can pause the video to discuss it with someone. We are now going to show you the answer. The objects that have been circled have been cut into half because they all have two equal parts. And next, there is the types of fractions. First, there is proper fraction. Proper fractions are the fractions in which the numerator is less than its denominator. For example, 5/7, 3/8, 2/5, and so on are proper fractions. Second, there is improper fraction. An improper fraction is the type of fraction in which the numerator is more than or equal to its denominator. It is always the same or greater than the whole. For example, 4/3, 5/2, 8/5, and so on. Third, there is unit fraction. Fractions in which the numerator is 1 are known as unit fractions. For example, 1/4, 1/7, 1/9, and so on. Fourth, mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a mixture of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 5 and 1/3, where 5 is the whole number and 1/3 is the proper fraction. Thank you all for watching this video, and I hope this video can be useful for you. Bye!